Welcome to DecoNetwork's Business Hub, where the magic happens. A good way to look at Business Hub is it's really broken into three sections. You have the sales and service. This is where we create quotes and update orders. Then we have processing. This is where our production staff lives. There's both a production list view and a calendar view. From both of these views, I can do things such as assign orders to team members. I can update production statuses. I can download the orders as far as the production worksheets and the artwork themselves. If I go into an individual order, I can do a lot of the same things. I can download the production worksheet, the artwork. I can update the status. I can assign the job to a particular team member or a piece of equipment. Whenever you're looking at the production, know that, hey, whatever you see up top here in the columns can be updated by clicking on this gear. The processing section is where the majority of your team is going to spend their time producing the orders. Lastly, we have accounts. Now, the accounts section is where we store all of our customer and company profiles. Whenever we have a situation where there's multiple contacts or a hierarchy within a company or organization, we want to set up a company profile. Every school should be set up as a company. The company is the district office, and then the individual staff or coaches who place orders are going to be customer contacts underneath the company. So Business Hub, again, the best way to put it, it's where the magic happens. It's where we create quotes or we update orders. It's where we then go through the processing when it comes to scheduling jobs, assigning jobs, going through artwork approvals, raising purchase orders with suppliers, checking in the products as they come in. We can even ship from within Business Hub or connect our account to ShipStation to make shipping orders through all your major carriers much easier. If you have any questions on how to use DecoNetwork Business Hub, simply reach out to client services who would be more than happy to give you a demo of how the game-changing software can greatly help you grow your promotional product and decoration business.